Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Pencil. Now, I've never had this Apple Pencil before. I've never had an Apple Pencil before, totally. And so we're going to be unboxing this totally brand new one right now, and we're just going to open it up. And all you have to do is pull this thing out like this. And there it is. The paperwork, not the Apple Pencil, but it is designed by Apple in California. Let's just take out the paperwork. Alright, let's just set this aside. We don't need to see anything yet. Let's see what it comes with. Apple Pencil. Let's just take that paperwork out. What does this do? Well, that's pretty cool. You can replace the tip even. That's pretty cool. You can just attach it to the side of your iPad. That's really cool. Let's actually get out the box with the Apple Pencil in it. As you can see, there is the Apple Pencil right there. Try to line it up with the camera up here, because there's the top-down camera now. Even though it kind of blocks my face, but it's fine. And here's the Apple Pencil. Let's take it out. And there it is. The Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil 2, actually, because this is the second one. There we go. Put that back in there, and there we go. There's the Apple Pencil 2. And so I could just put it on my iPad just like this, and bam. And whenever I magnetically attach it, it just shows Apple Pencil like that. That's pretty cool. And also, I think if you, wait, hang on. If you do this, or you just start drawing like, oh, okay, not right away, but there you go. If you start drawing, then it just starts drawing by itself. That's pretty cool. So that's the Apple Pencil 2. Also, if you double tap on the pencil, then it switches between tools and stuff. There we go. And erase that, and there we go. I'd never used it before until just now, and it felt really good. I'm really enjoying it. This thing is really cool, although I don't use it much unless I'm drawing or like writing something down. That's about it. Whoa! Hey, don't come in my room, Han Solo. This is a tech video, not a skit.
All I know is I need that, kid.
What do you want? Do you want this Apple Pencil?
It's not that kind of pencil, kid. It's a diadium crystal. Put that with a kyber crystal, and it can destroy almost anything. It can wipe out this whole... Hey, wait a minute. Where the blazes are we?
I told you! You're in my room, and this is not some sort of power cell thing. It's an Apple Pencil. And the odds of this powering some sort of lightsaber or Millennium Falcon or something like that is 0.
Never tell me the odds, kid.
Look, I'll show you. This is an Apple Pencil, alright? It's a pencil, you write and stuff. And this is an iPad, and you just magnetically attach it like this.
Look, kid. I have flown from one side of this galaxy to the other, and I've seen a lot of strange stuff. And a pencil is not how the Force works.
So why do you need this?
I don't need it, kid. Chewie needs it. And it's not wise to upset a Wookiee.
Yeah, alright, I understand.
I knew you'd see it my way. Now hand it over.
I still say it's not gonna work, alright?
Let's keep a little optimism, kid.
Good luck, Han Solo. I'm happy to help you anytime.
Great, kid. Don't get cocky.
I like you, Han.
I know, kid.
Alright. That's it. I don't have my Apple Pencil anymore. But you know what I do have? An empty box. Who wants an empty box? Oh. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! Ah!